Hey guys, I'm going to be changing my Omnipod. Prior to doing this, I took my old one off. This is how small the tube is. So I'm gonna hit setup pod. Tells you what to do. It says fill new pod with U100 insulin, and then listen for 2 beeps, and then tap next. So I'm opening up the cartridge right now for the 200 unit syringe. You screw the top on and you pull it off. It's very small. So then I already rubbed the hub too. So I would draw up 200 units because that's as much as the pod holds. Well, air. And air is better. There we go. It's got like a pressure thing to it. So now I'll drop the 200 units. So this pod lasts 3 days. It can last less though because it depends how much insulin you use during the 3 days. So if you basically if you eat a lot, you get a lot of units. And my pod expired at 5. Right now it's midnight. But there's an 8-hour grace period till you need to change it. Okay, so I got the 200 units. So now there's a little hole right here, that one. So what I do is I stick it in this hole, bring this thing up here, it needs to be near it. And then you put it all in the pod. There's the 2 beeps. And then you click next, scoop up the syringe. Okay, got it. So now this needle's just in this thing. And right now it's priming to get the bubbles out. That's pretty nice. So if you get a small bubble, the pod primes for you. So now I'm gonna wipe off the area. So I'm gonna put it in my stomach right here while it's priming. Usually takes a few, but you can put this pod like anywhere. I prefer my stomach because it's more easier to sleep. In my arm, I put it in my arm too because it's